pattern for today, just so you have the reference, right? And we have the reference. We're gonna go away from the camera and to the camera, right? So look, just a parada like we did last time, yes? We make sure we arrive on the front legs here. In this case, this is her back leg, my front, yes? I find her leg, I move her leg. Then I try to make us both step on it enough that she can move her leg, then I. Then again, move the leg, her leg, mine, both of us. Yeah, once we're done, do it a couple of times, just regular exit. Yeah. So again, back ocho. Yeah, so you can do a couple of back oches, doesn't have to be right away. Yes, then set it up, her first, then me. Make sure we both standing. I find the leg and move them both. Move us both to this new one. Her, me, both of us. Her, me, both of us, and so on. And out.